Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2017 Subaru Outback. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated seats, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and much more. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Subaru's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 152-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.